In this video, I'll show you how to add a collaborator to a Facebook page post step by step. If the collaboration feature is available for your account, you can invite another creator or page to collaborate on a post, so it appears on both profiles after they accept the invitation. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, then switch to your page if needed. Tap Create Post and add your text, photos, or video as you normally would. Before publishing, look for the Tag People, Invite Collaborator, or Collaboration option, depending on your app version and the type of post you're creating. Search for the creator or Facebook page you want to invite, and select it from the results. Review your post and confirm that the collaborator has been added. Then tap Post or Publish to share the content and send the collaboration invitation. The invited creator or page will need to accept the invitation before the post appears as a collaborative post on both profiles. If you don't see a collaboration option, the feature may not be available for your account, page type, region, or the type of content you're posting. Keep your Facebook app updated to access the latest features as they become available. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.